So experiment 1, magnetic field produced by a coil. So I'm going to connect up the power supply here to the field coil. So you need to watch carefully what I'm doing. So this is the first lead going into the wrong terminal. Going into this terminal here. This is the channel 1, that's the supply we're going to use. I'm going to connect this to the top of the field coil, F1, so that's the black lead. Okay, then we're going to connect another wire to the black terminal here, and that's going to the other end of the field coil. So these are the connections. Now I've set up the power supply to be in constant current mode. So you can see here the LED on CC is lit up. I'm now going to increase the current, and hopefully you'll see the increase in the magnetic field. So let's apply some current. So this is half an amp, comes in, and you can see the field has gone up from 0 to 0.09 millitesla. Remember, this is in millitesla. Now you see what happens now by increasing the current up to 2 amps. So look what happens to the field. So this is 1.15 amps now. And this is the maximum we're going to, which is 2 amps. And you can see the field here has increased to 0.52 millitesla. I'm now going to decrease the current slowly back towards 0. So what I'm going to do now is reverse the connections to the field coil. So I'm going to take the yellow lead, which is connected to the black terminal here. I'm going to take that out and put that on the top of the coil, and the red terminal here is now going to the other side of the coil. So I've simply swapped over the leads. I'm now going to increase the current again. So we start off with 0 current flowing into the unit, and there is a slight offset here to 0.01. And let's now increase the current. So going to half an amp again. Now that's about half an amp, and you can see now we have minus 0.05. I'm going to now slowly increase the current to 2 amps, and you can watch what happens to the magnetic field. So that's 1.15 amps. Now that's the maximum of 2 amps. I'm now going to decrease the current back towards 0. Okay, that's the end of this experiment.